So let me show you guys how shaky the wheel is, but I'm not sure whether you guys can see in a video. Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today will be another video of me heading to the bike shop to get my wheel bearing replaced. So last week when I was riding my bike back home from work, I heard a very loud grinding noise at the back of the bike, so I have no idea what is that. So on the same day I brought my bike to Prospin Motorsports to get them to check, and they found that it was the worn bearing that causes the grinding noise. So they doesn't have stock for the wheel bearings for my bike. So in the end I went back home with the bike, and I was advised not to ride the bike for a prolonged period because the wheel bearings might give way anytime. So for the past 2 days I've been taking the public transport to work, and I'm not really used to taking public transport because I'm really used to having my own personal transport. So I don't really dare to ride my bike to work because I have no idea when the wheel bearings might give way and I'll be stranded on the highway or some other places. So right now I'm heading to Prospin to get my wheel bearing replaced. Alright guys, I finally made it to Prospin Motorsports. I'm really afraid and worried that I might not be able to make it. So let me show you guys how shaky the wheel is, but I'm not sure whether you guys can see in a video. The wheel bearing is pretty loose, so right now I'll be waiting for them to get my wheel bearing replaced. guys, so right now my rear wheel bearing has been replaced, and I have also decided to change my front wheel bearing because I have no idea when the front wheel bearing will give up on me. So right now I'm having a brand new set of wheel bearing on my bike. So I would like to thank Prospin for fixing the bike, and right now I'm able to ride my bike again. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Do remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ride safe and bye.
Wow.